us live on the South Bank.
A local sailor indicted for sex trafficking of a minor. A federal grand jury has charged this man, Shanen Reyling, with that crime and with racketeering. This mugshot comes from a previous arrest on state prostitution charges. We're told Reyling is on deployment right now. Down 4's Vic Micolucci has been reading over the indictment and is joining us live from the federal courthouse. Vic?
And Tom, this is actually the order that a judge recently signed calling for Reyling's arrest. It's the result of a long investigation by both the FBI and the Department of Justice. And they say if he's convicted of the crimes he's accused of, he could possibly spend the rest of his life behind bars. Shanen Reyling is all smiles in this picture taken at a local bar, but chances are he won't be smiling when he's set to face these serious charges from a federal grand jury. This indictment says for a few weeks in September 2012, the Navy sailor, quote, did knowingly recruit, entice, harbor, transport, provide, obtain, and maintain an underage girl and caused her to, quote, engage in a commercial sex act in Jacksonville. Simply put, he's accused of running a, quote, business enterprise involving prostitution with a girl under 18 years old and then lying to FBI agents about it. Reyling's been jailed locally accused of a similar crime, but has not been arrested yet for these new federal charges. A government source says he's deployed on a Navy ship right now, but will likely be arrested soon.
There's protocol in place for when this type of thing happens.
Attorney William Kurtz isn't involved, but spent years in the Navy as an officer. He says Reyling may be allowed to continue working on the ship until he's arrested, or he may be put into confinement. It depends.
The captain will cooperate, and likely what will happen is they'll pull into a port somewhere and he'll be turned over to someone to be brought back to the States.
Robert Natter, a retired Navy admiral, says having a sailor overseas and facing such serious charges is rare.
It is definitely not a regular experience. In fact, in my 41 years in the Navy, I never experienced it on any ship or unit that I had command of. But the Navy knows how to deal with it and will cooperate with both local and federal officials.
Now, if convicted, Reyling faces a minimum of 15 years in federal prison and a maximum of life behind bars. I did reach out to the Navy today. They said that they were looking into it, but they didn't have any comment because they just did not have all the details when I talked to them this afternoon. Reporting live at the federal courthouse downtown, I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.